are you today? It's me again, Teacher Liz, and for today's lesson, we are going to learn about animals and their homes. So where do animals live? What do you call their homes? We are going to learn about those today. First one is an aquarium. This is an aquarium. An aquarium is a place where fish and water animals live. Everybody, let us read. A place where fish and water animals live. An aquarium. This one. This is the first one. So where does a fish live? A fish lives in an aquarium. Next we have a kennel. This is a kennel. Everybody, let us read. A place where a dog lives. So what is a kennel? A kennel is a place where a dog lives. So where does a dog live? A dog lives in a kennel. Next we have a hutch. This is a hutch. And what is it? A hutch is a place where a rabbit lives. A place where a rabbit lives, a hutch. We have aquarium for fish, kennel for dog, and hutch for rabbit. Next we have a stable. Please repeat after me. A stable. This is a stable. And what is it? It's a place where a horse lives. Everybody, let us read. A place where a horse lives. So, a stable is a place where a horse lives. You see, there's a horse in it. This is a stable. Next, we have a sty. S-T-Y, sty. So, what is it? Everybody, let us read. A place where a pig lives. A sty is a place where a pig lives, or a place where pigs live. We say sty or a pig sty. It's the same. This is a sty or a pig sty. Next we have a spider web. This is a spider web. And what is it? It's a place where a spider lives. A spider web is a place where a spider lives. Everybody say spider web. Next, we have a nest. This is a nest. Can you guess what animal lives here? You see, there are 3 eggs. So it's a place where a bird lives. A nest is a place where a bird lives. A nest. Next, we have a chicken coop. So it's from the name, you can guess the animal that lives in a chicken coop. Everybody, let us read. A place where a chicken lives. This is a chicken coop. It's a place where a chicken lives. Next, we have a cow shed. Please repeat after me. A cow shed. This is a cow shed. And what is it? It's a place where a cow lives. A cow shed. Next, we have an ant hill. An ant hill. This one. Have you seen an ant hill? So what is it? It's a place where ants live. So inside an ant hill. So this one is a place where ants live. You can find many ants in here. Next, we have a hive. This one. So what is a hive? It's a place where bees live. A place where bees live. So bees live in here. A hive or a beehive. Next, we have a sheep pen. A sheep pen. This one is a sheep pen. So what is it? It's a place where sheep live. A place where sheep live. Let's have a conversation practice. Where does a blank live? For example, where does a dog live? Where does a fish live? Where does a rabbit live? The answer is a blank lives in a blank. For example, a dog lives in a kennel. A rabbit lives in a hutch. A fish lives in an aquarium. For a fish, we have an aquarium. So let's start. Where does a fish live? The answer is a fish lives in an aquarium. Next, where does a dog live? Answer, a dog lives in a kennel. You call this one a kennel or a dog house. Next, where does a rabbit live? Answer, a rabbit lives in a hutch. This is a hutch. Next, where does a horse live? The answer is a horse lives in a stable. A horse lives in a stable. This is a stable. Next, we have where does a pig live? Pig. The answer is a pig lives in a sty or a pigsty. How about this one? Where does a spider live? Look at the picture. What do you call this one? Where does a spider live? The answer is a spider lives in a spider web. This is a spider web. Next, where does a bird live? In here, what do you call this? Answer, a bird lives in a nest. We also have this one. Where does a chicken live? The answer is a chicken lives in a chicken coop. This is a chicken coop. Next, where does a cow live? This one. What do you call this? Answer, a cow lives in a cow shed. Cow shed. Next, where do bees live? The answer is bees live in a hive or a beehive. How about this one? Where do ants live? Answer, ants live in an ant hill. Ants live in an ant hill. This is an ant hill. And how about this one? Where do sheep live? Sheep live in, the answer is a sheep pen. Sheep live in a sheep pen. So now let's have a review. Today's topic is about animals and their homes. For dog, we have kennel. Please repeat after me. Fish, aquarium, rabbit, hutch, pig, sty, bee, hive, horse, stable, spider, spider web, bird, nest, cow, cow shed, sheep, sheep pen, ant, ant hill. This is the last one. Chicken, chicken coop. So that's all for our today's lesson, everyone. See you again next time. Goodbye.